Tablets, replacing laptops in schools and workplaces. In the near future, tablets will replace laptops in schools and the workplace because they are less expensive, becoming more efficient, and more convenient than laptops to transport. Tablets are less expensive but nearly as efficient as laptops. Presently, most tablets are used by adults in their 30s. When more high school teens start to use tablets, they will begin to be used more in a school setting. According to a survey, tablets are mostly being bought in Asia, especially China. Consumers in North America buy the least amount of tablets. This is probably one reason why tablets are not being used in the school setting currently. Compared to a cheap laptop, a cheap tablet will probably cost $50 less. Battery life. One of the features consumers value in tablets already surpasses laptops by about 8 hours. This is probably why tablets are mostly used at home, because users can take the tablet anywhere in their home without having to plug it in. Tablets are becoming more efficient so that users can accomplish many tasks without using bulky or hot laptops. Currently, tablet users work on their tablets at home and on the go. On average, a tablet can weigh 1.5 pounds, making them easier to transport than laptops. Most have the capability to connect with a Wi-Fi, keyboard, and transfer data from one device to another. Most of the activities currently done on tablets are used for non-work related matters, such as managing photos or videos, reading books, downloading and uploading entertainment data. However, there is a growing trend among employees to use the tablet to create spreadsheets. Perhaps for security reasons, currently more people use laptops to connect to the internet, email, online shop, and conduct their banking more than tablets. Tablets are becoming extremely convenient and easy to use. Innovators such as Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft benefit from the sales of tablets greatly. Last year, Apple sold close to 50 million tablets. Samsung sold very close to 10 million tablets, and Microsoft sold close to 1 million tablets. In addition, by 2014, Apple may sell 19 million tablets, Samsung will probably have sold 18 million tablets, and Microsoft must sell 16 million tablets in order to be ahead of the other tablet industry. So, what are major companies doing to make tablets better? They are advancing tablets in order to make them more suitable for the workplace instead of mainly personal and home entertainment. Apple plans to amend tablets by making smaller screens to save about 5% of the cost. Samsung is trying to develop tablets in many shapes and sizes. Microsoft will enhance the functions of their tablet in order to become a smaller computer. However, tablets still need to improve their memory capacity. Most consumers and businesses prefer to pay around $500 for a tablet with good reviews. As spoken about earlier, tablets need to greatly improve their memory capacity. Most laptops can hold around 200 gigabytes, while tablets can only hold 60 gigabytes. This means that users cannot download a lot of programs, or the tablet will run extremely slow. Along with the changes to the memory space, there are other improvements that need to be made. Tablets should have the ability to run many applications no matter how large or how many gigabytes they use. This means that a user should be able to run any application of their choice. Tablets are probably not used in schools currently because you cannot use the whole Microsoft Office suite. Therefore, companies should improve the compatibility with Microsoft Office. In the future, more people will replace laptops with tablets because there are many great advantages. Thank you for watching.